Hey everyone. So it's time for me to rotate the tires on my Model 3. This is the Model 3 Performance. And I'm not sponsored by them or anything, but wanted to do a little review on this jack pad from Street Rays. So this is them right here. And they're a US company. They're out of Texas. I looked around. I wanted something a little bit more sturdy than the kind of hockey puck style Amazon offerings. And so I found this company, makes them in-house. These are aluminum. They have an O-ring there that's supposed to help keep it connected into the jack point. And so I went ahead, used this little tool to pull off the center cap, and I'm going to give it a go. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so here, just in front of the mirror, is where the hole is in the body for this to fit into the proper mounting point. And sure enough, it stays put. Well, there's what it looks like. Nice. Do a quick swapperoo, huh? Okay, one use of the Street Rays puck. I like it. Feel like this product will last a long time, and worked real well, easy. You know, literally the easiest part of rotating the tires was using this, because it didn't take very long. Didn't have to think about it. All right, well, until next time.